The law of momentum is a fundamental principle in physics that states that the total momentum of a closed system remains constant. This law is also known as the law of conservation of momentum. The law of momentum can be expressed mathematically as follows. P equals mv, where p is the momentum of an object, m is its mass, and v is its velocity. Momentum is a vector quantity, which means it has both magnitude and direction. The direction of momentum is the same as the direction of the velocity. According to the law of momentum, when two objects collide, the total momentum of the system before the collision is equal to the total momentum after the collision. This is true as long as there are no external forces acting on the system. The law of momentum has many practical applications, such as in the design of safety features in cars and other vehicles. By understanding the law of momentum, engineers can design vehicles that are less likely to be damaged in collisions and that protect passengers from harm.